Our country, India, is the fastest growing country, next only to China as far as the developmental growth rates are concerned. And in the next 20 years, it is expected that India will be number 3 in the world as far as the GSDP wealth is, in the creation stage. So you can imagine the amount of scope that what we have in many fields for the entrepreneurs, business people to capitalize on the growth potential that what we have. Our base is low because we were not independent, and after independence we started with the 5-year plans, and the industrial growth is picking up, and the incomes of the people are growing, and the population is another factor. So it gives a lot of potential for automobile industry also. As of now, as on today itself, we are the 6th largest manufacturer in the world, and second fastest growing automobile sector in the world next to China. So this gives a lot of scope and immense possibilities of growth potential. So this must be exploited. The youngsters coming into this field and marketing as of now, I'm sure they will get into do a good job. He has already done a wonderful job, and this car also now it's environmental free, emission less emission, and lighter weight, and for the unit of fuel it travels definitely much longer than the other models. So he has a good marketing weapon for him to be successful in the business. Paying capacity of the people, the comfort level that the customer expects will decide the car model. So in this case, I think it's above average, and with the same price, I think they are providing better comforts. So I'm sure this will go a long way. Yeah. And in addition to that, the marketing capabilities of the young man will also add to this.